Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through the intensity minutes widget on your Garmin Instinct watch. Now I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It shouldn't matter whether you've got one of the solar versions or non-solar versions of this watch. This widget's available for everybody. The one thing I'll mention is don't get it confused with the solar intensity widget. That's a totally different widget. I've done a video on that in the past. Maybe I'll link it to this video, but the widget we're talking about here is workout intensity. Basically, every week the World Health Organization recommends that you get 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise. So moderate exercise would be something like going for a walk every day, a light jog, whereas vigorous exercise is going to be more like a run. And the Garmin Instinct allows you to track whether or not you're getting those minutes every week or not. And I'm going to show you how we can look at that. So as with most things on this watch, the most basic way you can look at your intensity minutes is by adding it as a data field on your watch face. Not every item out there is available as a data field, but the intensity minutes is. So let's go ahead and add that. I'm going to press and hold the menu button. I'm going to choose watch face. I'm just going to keep this watch face, but I'm going to customize it. And the data field that you're looking for is this one here. I guess that's a clock that's moving. I always think it looks like a time bomb, but that's the data element that we're going to choose. I'm going to go through and accept all the other ones. And I can see by looking at my watch face that I've had 119 intensity minutes this week out of the 150 that I'm supposed to get. So that's great, but like with most things on the watch, if I want to get more details about the item, I can go download the intensity widget and I can see more information than just the data element on the watch face. So let's go ahead and get the widget. I'm going to press and hold the menu button, go down to settings, let's choose widgets. I'm going to add the widget, and again, we're looking for the icon that's the clock that's moving. It's labeled intensity minutes. I've successfully added it. And now let's press back. Go to our main watch face and let's check out what the widget does. So remember, 119 is what I've got. The widget's showing you the exact same. For the week, I've hit 119 minutes out of the 150 that I'm supposed to get. There's also a little graph that's going around here that shows how close I am to hitting my 150 goal. It's basically just a bar graph to show you what's going on. I can also press GPS while I'm on the widget and I can see more details. So for example, I need 31 more minutes of moderate exercise or 16 more minutes of vigorous exercise this week to hit my goal. You'll see the down arrow. I can also press down to get more details. I can get a weekly breakdown of where have I gotten my intensity minutes. You'll notice Monday, Tuesday, every day of this week I haven't gotten any minutes, but Wednesday I got 119 of the 150 minutes I'm supposed to get. That's basically everything that the widget shows you. I can press up to go back to the top page, or I can press the back button, go back to my home screen to get out of the widget. That's a quick look at how to look at the intensity minutes on your Garmin Instinct watch. As with everything else, if you want to get more details, you can go to the Garmin Connect app or website. Maybe I'll do that now. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like in Garmin Connect app, just so you can get more details about the intensity minutes. I'm going to go ahead and go into the Garmin Connect app. Now I'm using an Apple device. It shouldn't matter whether you're using Apple or Android. The Garmin Connect app should work about the same for everybody else. You'll notice as I go in, it syncs all my information. If I look under My Day, I can see that there's an intensity minutes section. Now, if you're not seeing that, scroll to the very bottom of the page, click on Edit My Day, and make sure you don't have intensity minutes hidden. If it's down here under the hidden cards, you'll want to add it to make sure that you can see it under your My Day. So I'm going to go back up to it and I'm going to click on the intensity minutes, and you can see basically a breakdown of what we saw before. Actually, I'm under the week. Let me go back to the given day. For today, I've had 0 minutes, but I can also click on the last 7 days and we'll see the same information. I'm at 119 of the 150 I'm supposed to get, so I'm at 79% of my goal. Again, I need 31 minutes of moderate or 16 minutes of vigorous exercise, and I can see the weekly graph of when did I get those minutes. I can click on any of the previous days to get a breakdown of when did those minutes occur during the given day. At the top, I can also click on the last 7 days, 4 weeks, or the last year breakdown. You'll notice under the year, I can also go and look per date range to see during what period of time over the year have I hit my intensity minutes. You'll notice that I'm averaging 45 minutes of moderate, intensity every week and 12 minutes of vigorous exercise every week over the last year's time. You can click on the back button. Now if I scroll down, you'll notice I've got a section for yesterday. I've also got a section for the last 7 days. Now, depending on how you have your Garmin Connect app set up, you might not be seeing all this stuff. If I click on Edit My Day, you'll notice I've got yesterday's statistics on and 7-day statistics on. I've cut those both off. So when I go back now, the only thing I see is the given day. Under the intensity minutes, the only other thing I'll show is at the top, there's 3 little dots. You can click on those and you can actually edit your goal for intensity minutes. The default is 150, but if you wanted to get more or less, you do have the ability to edit that. To get accurate intensity minutes, they do recommend having your heart rate monitoring on, and you want to have activity tracking on. As always, I hope this video makes sense. At least it gives you an idea of how the intensity minutes work on your Garmin Instinct watch. If you got any questions, post them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.